Okay, this is it. These are in a school room, in a classroom, trying to get this thing out. So I'm gonna start looking for the queen. Okay, I'm gonna see if I see her here, and then I'm gonna start to